Goes to the side. And circles. Has music. The little eyes turn different colors. And it has lights around the wheels. And my son is using it by controlling the car by this awesome handheld, wrist-held remote control. Go ahead. So it has a setting where when it's low to the ground and it gets stuck anywhere, you could push the button and the body goes up. So the body will lift up so it's able to go over rocks, sidewalks, anything bigger than when the body is low to the ground. That's so cool. I've never seen a remote control like this. It goes sideways, you guys. What cars do you know that goes sideways? It goes both sides, backwards, frontwards. So it has smart eyes, handheld RC, watch for the RC, and then it has music, it has lights, USB charger, and it has 360-degree rotation. It side slips movement. So walk in all directions. So definitely, you guys, this guy here is amazing. For all kids, even grown-ups, you guys got to try this. And I will definitely leave the link here so you guys could either get it as a fun toy to play with, a gift, or even save it for Christmas. Definitely check it out, you guys. It's amazing. So here's the handheld remote. Here's the car. Definitely so cool. And then here's the wrist remote. So that's a plus. So you guys, I've never seen a car like this, but this is definitely an A+ in my book. Definitely so cool.